Attention South Spokane residents. The City of Spokane has some construction updates for you. On Sunday, Qualtran Drive will be closed between US 195 and Lincoln Boulevard for water department repairs. This work should wrap up by the evening. The street department is continuing the grind and overlay project on Havana Street between Hartson Avenue and 3rd Avenue. Drivers should expect lane closures. Starting Monday, Hartson Avenue will be reduced to one lane between Freya Street and Havana Street with flaggers on site. Crews are starting work on the Scott Elementary Safe Routes to School project. Thank you for working with us this construction season, slowing down, following detours, and supporting businesses impacted by construction. For more information on construction, visit our website and click on the construction icon.